this video, I'll show you how to place text behind a person in Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Add your image to the page by click it. Go to the Text tab and add your desired text. Customize the text style, size, and color to match your design. Next, click on your image and duplicate it. Position the duplicate image exactly over the original. Select the duplicate image and use the BG Remover tool to delete the background, leaving just the person. This will allow your text to appear behind them while keeping the original image intact. That's it. Thanks for watching.